Good morning, students. This is 11th standard botany video class, video 4. In this video, we are going to continue the topic photosynthesis. Dear students, next we are going to see the topic dark reaction or C3 cycle or biosynthetic phase or photosynthetic carbon reduction cycle. So these are all the different names of dark reaction. So you have to learn all the topics because the question will come for different topics: dark reaction or C3 cycle or biosynthetic phase or PCR cycle, that means photosynthetic carbon reduction cycle. So in this biosynthetic phase of photosynthesis, the process utilizes assimilatory powers, that is ATP and NADPH2, which is produced in the light reaction. They are reduced the carbon dioxide into carbohydrate. This reaction is taken place in the absence of sunlight. Therefore, it is known as dark reaction. So what is dark reaction is the definition, that is, in this biosynthetic phase of photosynthesis, utilize assimilatory power which is generated in the light reaction, that is ATP and NADPH2, to fix and reduce carbon dioxide molecules into carbohydrate. In this reaction, sunlight is not required. Therefore, it is known as dark reaction. So in this reaction, RUBP, the abbreviation of RUBP is ribulose 1,5 bisphosphate or biphosphate. That is said to be RUBP, which is act as a acceptor molecule of carbon dioxide. So this is the carbon dioxide acceptor molecule, that is RUBP. What is the abbreviation? Ribulose 1,5 bisphosphate. That means two molecule of phosphate is there, 1 and 5. Okay. So this acceptor molecule, which are absorbing the carbon dioxide and fix the carbon dioxide by the enzyme Rubisco, RUBISCO, Rubisco enzyme. That means ribulose biphosphate is the acceptor molecule of carbon dioxide and fix the carbon dioxide in the presence of enzyme is known as Rubisco enzyme. In this reaction, the first product of the path is 3-carbon compound, that is known as PGA, that is phosphoglyceric acid, is a 3-carbon compound. So first product is, what is that one? PGA, phosphoglyceric acid. It is a 3-carbon compound molecule. So that this reaction is known as C3 cycle. This dark reaction or C3 cycle is taken place in the stroma region of the chloroplast. Stroma means a matrix region of the chloroplast is known as stroma. So this is the general introductory part of dark reaction. Which one is the carbon dioxide acceptor molecule? RUBP is the important one mark question. Ribulose 1,5 biphosphate or bisphosphate. Then the first product of the dark reaction is PGA, which is 3-carbon compound, that is phosphoglyceric acid. So this dark reaction was first observed by Melvin Calvin and other scientists A. Benson and their co-workers in the year 1957, and they given the pathway of carbon fixation. For this, Melvin Calvin awarded Nobel Prize in the year 1961. So this cycle is otherwise named as Calvin cycle or Calvin-Benson cycle. So this dark reaction is not depending upon the sunlight, but it is depending upon the temperature. So that this reaction is otherwise known as thermochemical reaction. So other important one part question. Dark reaction is otherwise known as dash cycle, that means Calvin-Benson cycle. Another one, dark reaction is required temperature, so it is known as dash, that means thermochemical reaction. This dark reaction consists of three phases. One is the carboxylation fixation, reduction of glycolytic reversal, then regeneration. Dear students, see the question. What will be the quanta requirement of complete right reaction which releases 6 oxygen molecule? So 6 oxygen molecule means 1 molecule of oxygen require 8 quanta, means 6 oxygen of molecule require 16 to 8, 48 quanta of light required for complete right reaction is the important 1 mark question. Normally 1 molecule of oxygen which is released from the photosynthetic process require 8 quantum of the sunlight. The evolution of 6 molecule of oxygen means 6 into 8 quanta equal to 48 quanta is required for evaluation of 6 molecule of oxygen during light reaction. Is the important 1 mark question. Normally 1 molecule of oxygen evolved means they required 8 quanta, that is 12%. You already studied. If a 6 molecule of oxygen is evolved means they required 48 quanta of sunlight to evolve the 6 molecule of oxygen. So this dark reaction consists of 3 phases: carboxylation, reduction and regeneration. Dear students, see the diagram. This is the 3 phases which is present in the Calvin cycle. One is the carbon fixation, another one is the reduction, third one is the regeneration of RUBP. Are the 3 phases which is taken place in the dark reaction or Calvin-Benson cycle. So here in this reaction, the first product of the PGA, that is phosphoglyceric acid, and the carbon dioxide acceptor is. Dear students, first we are going to see phase 1 of dark reaction, that is carboxylation fixation. Dear students, in the previous paragraph we have seen the carbon dioxide acceptor molecular is RUBP, that means ribulose 1,5 bisphosphate. It is a 5 carbon compound with the help of the enzyme called RUBP carboxylase or Rubisco, carboxylase oxygenase or Rubisco enzyme, which accept 1 molecule of carbon dioxide to form an unstable 6 carbon compound. So what will happen? 1 molecule of carbon dioxide is accepted by the RUBP, is a 5 carbon compound in the presence of enzyme is known as Rubisco or RUBP carboxylase oxygenase to form a unstable means it is again going to be split into 6 carbon compound. So this 6 carbon compound broken into 2 molecules of 3 carbon compound called PGA. That is, we have seen in the previous paragraph, the first product of dark reaction is phosphoglyceric acid is a 3-carbon compound, isn't it? So that carbon compound only which is formed in the carboxylation or fixation process. See the simple equation of this phase RUBP, ribulose 1,5 bisphosphate, accepting 1 molecule of carbon dioxide in the presence of enzyme Rubisco produce 2 molecule of PGA. That means they are producing the 6-carbon compound which is unstable, split into 2 molecules of 3-carbon compound is known as PGA. The second phase is reduction phase or glycolytic phase. Glycolytic reversal. The 2 molecule of PGA, that is phosphoglyceric acid, in what carbon compound? 3-carbon compound is phosphorylated. Phosphorylated means adding 1 molecule of inorganic phosphate by ATP produced 1, bis biphosphoglyceric acid. Already it is a 3-carbon compound, 2 molecules PGA, 1 molecule of inorganic phosphate is added from the ATP which is converted into 1, 3. 3 means it's already 3-carbon compound. 1 inorganic phosphate is added. So 1, 3 bisphosphoglyceric acid by the enzyme phosphoglyceric kinase. Phosphoglyceric acid kinase. So this 1, 3 bisphosphoglyceric acid reduced to glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate by using the reducing power which is generated in the light reaction. What is the assimilatory power? ATP and NADPH2. So in this NADPH2 they are utilized and get reduced 1, 3 bisphosphoglyceric acid into glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. So this glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate is converted into 2 isomers, that is dihydroxy acetone phosphate, that is glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate again converted into DHAP. So both of them are interconvertible. Why it said to be interconvertible or isomers? That means DHAP is converted into glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate is again converted into dihydroxyacetone phosphate, that is said to be DHAP. Okay, so this is the process of glycolytic reversal or reduction process. See the entire process of chemical reaction. First product, what is that one? PGA, phosphoglyceric acid. How many molecules? 2 molecules. In what carbon compound? 3-carbon compound. In the presence of phosphoglyceric acid kinase, which absorb 1 molecule of inorganic phosphate from the ATP molecules, produce 1, 3 bisphosphoglyceric acid. 1, 3 bisphosphoglyceric acid. So this 1, 3 bisphosphoglyceric acid, utilizing the reducing power which is generated in the light reaction, that is NADPH2, converted into glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. The next phase is regeneration of RUBP. So the first step is RUBP. Then the last step is also again produced RUBP, that is said to be regeneration of RUBP. So this regeneration of RUBP involves several intermediate compounds. Example, for 6 carbon, 5 carbon and 4 carbon and 7 carbon skeletons are formed in this phase, that is regeneration of RuBP. For the fixation of one carbon dioxide molecule, they required 3 ATP molecules and 2 NADPH2. For the fixation of 6 carbon dioxide molecules require 6 3s are 18 ATP molecules and 6 2s are 12 NADPH2, reducing power during C3 cycle. One 6 carbon compound is the net gain to form the hexose sugar. See the equation. Ribulose 5-phosphate. Dear students, don't confuse RuBP. RuBP means ribulose 1, bisphosphate. B for bisphosphate. But here, one phosphate molecule is removed from the RuBP. It will be converted into Ru5P, ribulose 5-phosphate. Here, one ATP molecule is get reduced into ADP. That inorganic phosphate is added with the Ru5P to form a RuBP. The overall reaction of dark reaction is 6 carbon dioxide molecule, 18 ATP plus 12 NADPH2 gives 6 carbon compound, that is hexose carbon compound, that is glucose, C6H12O6 plus 6 water molecules are released and 18 ADP is get reduced into 18 inorganic phosphate plus 12 NADP. So this is the overall reaction of dark reaction. Reaction is a very important 2-mark question. Write the overall reaction of dark reaction, or Calvin cycle, or C3 cycle, or biosynthetic phase, or PCR cycle. PCR cycle. See the do you know paragraph. A Rubisco enzyme, that is RuBP carboxylase oxygenase enzyme, is the most abundant protein found on the earth. It constitutes 16% of the chloroplast protein. It acts as a carboxylase in the presence of carbon dioxide and oxygenase in the absence of carbon dioxide. So this Rubisco enzyme, which are doing the dual activities, in the presence of carbon dioxide, it is act as a carboxylase. In the absence of absence of carbon dioxide, it acts as a oxygenase. So that is the introductory part of Rubisco. Dear students, this is the dark reaction which has taken place in 3 stages: carboxylation, reduction, and regeneration of RuBP. Dear students, see the flow chart. The flow chart is very important 5-mark question. Draw a flow chart of C3 cycle, Calvin cycle, dark reaction, biosynthetic phase, PCR cycle. See the first reaction and the different process of the dark reaction. First one is the 3 carbon compound, that is phosphoglycerate. So first process is the RuBP, that is ribulose 1, bisphosphate. It's a 5 carbon compound. It gets reduced into 3 phosphoglycerate by the enzyme Rubisco, which are absorbing the carbon dioxide molecule. And this first product, PGA, phosphoglyceric acid, is a 3-carbon compound, 2 molecules. Okay, so they are utilizing the generating power NADPH2, and they are converted into glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate by the enzyme dehydrogenase and kinase, which are producing isomers from the glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, that is dihydroxyacetone phosphate. Then after that, this dihydroxyacetone phosphate, which are combined with glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, producing different variable carbon compound, that is 4-carbon, 5-carbon, 6-carbon and 7-carbon compound. And finally, they have produced the ribulose biphosphate regeneration. So for this process, different enzymes are responsible for this activities and reducing the carbon dioxide molecules and converted into sugar compound or carbohydrate or starch. That reaction is called Calvin cycle. The different carbon compounds are pseudoheptulose 7-phosphate, pseudoheptulose 1,7 bisphosphate, xylulose 5-phosphate, erythrose 4-phosphate, xylulose 5-phosphate are the different carbon compound of 4, 5, 6 and 7 carbon compound, which is taken place in the regeneration of RUBP. So this is said to be Calvin cycle. So this Calvin cycle, which are reducing the carbon dioxide by utilizing the assimilatory power which is generated in the light reaction, that is ATP and NADPH2. So one molecule of carbon dioxide reduced into carbohydrate by using 3 ATP and 2 NADPH2. So 3 carbon compound carbon dioxide fixation is taken place by utilizing 18 ATP and 12 NADPH2 in C3 plants. That fixation of carbon dioxide is known as Calvin cycle or biosynthetic phase or dark reaction. Dear students, the next cycle is Hatch-Slack pathway or C4 cycle, dicarboxylic acid pathway or dicarboxylation pathway. Till 1965, the Calvin cycle is the only cycle or a pathway to fix the carbon dioxide. But in 1965, Kortschak, Ott and Burr made some observation in sugarcane plant, which is 4-carbon compound or C4 plant, which are showing the dicarboxylic acid pathway. In this pathway, malate and aspartate are the major labeled product of this pathway. So the observation of Hatch and Slack in the 1967, this Hatch-Slack pathway is the alternative source of fixation of carbon dioxide found in the several tropical and subtropical grasses and some dicots. This C4 cycle is discovered in more than 1000 species. Is the important 1 mark question. Out of these 1000 species, 300 species are dicot, rest of them are monocot. The C4 plants represent 5% of earth plant biomass. Only 1% is known as the plant species. Due to this scarcity, they account for about 30% of carbon dioxide fixation in terrestrial carbon. Increasing in the proportion of C4 plants on the land region or earth could assist the biosequestration of carbon dioxide. Biosequestration means they are absorbing the carbon dioxide and store it in the plant part is known as biosequestration and represent an important climate change avoidance of strategy. The C4 pathway or Hatch-Lak pathway completed in 2 phases. First phase in stroma of mesophyll cell. In this first phase, the carbon dioxide acceptor molecule is 3-carbon compound known as PEP. That means phosphoenol pyruvate. Dear students, at this level, you recognize that in the dark reaction, the carbon dioxide acceptor molecule is 5-carbon compound, that is RUBP. In which pathway? Dark reaction or Calvin cycle. But in the C4 pathway, which one is the carbon dioxide acceptor molecule? PEP, that means phosphoenol pyruvate, is the carbon dioxide acceptor molecule, which are forming the 4-carbon compound is known as OAA, that is oxaloacetic acid. So the first product of the C4 cycle is OAA. It is a 4-carbon compound. Dear students, you recall the dark reaction. The first product of the C3 cycle or Calvin cycle is the PGA, that is phosphoglyceric acid, which is 3-carbon compound. This is 4-carbon compound. Name is, what is that one? OAA, oxaloacetic acid. This OAA is the dicarboxylic acid. Hence, this pathway is known as dicarboxylic acid pathway. This carbon dioxide fixation is taken place in this cycle in 2 ways. One in the mesophyll and another one is the bundle sheath. So that this is known as dicarboxylation pathway. In 2 regions, they are fixing the carbon dioxide molecule. One is the mesophyll cell, another one is, what is that one? Bundle sheath cell. You also compare the Calvin cycle. That means the carbon dioxide fixation is taken place in the stroma region of the chloroplast. That is dark reaction. In Hatch-Lak pathway, it will be taken place in 2 regions, mesophyll cells and bundle sheath cell. So it is the adaptation of tropical and subtropical plants growing in warm and dry condition. In these plants, the fixation of carbon dioxide is the minimal loss due to the absence of photorespiration. So in this Hatch-Lak pathway, C4 plants require to fix the 1 molecule of carbon dioxide, 5 ATP molecules and 2 NADP H2 molecule. Compare that one. In dark reaction, to fix the 1 molecule of carbon dioxide, they require 3 ATP and 2 NADP H2. But in the Hatch-Lak pathway, they require 5 ATP molecules and 2 NADP H2 molecules to fix the one molecule of carbon dioxide. Dear students, see the diagram which are showing the C4 pathway. It will be taken place in two places. One is the mesophyll, another one is the bundle sheath. The left side, the diagram which are showing the C4 leaf anatomy. This is the structure of leaf. Center they are having vascular tissue, that is vein, then surrounded by a bundle sheath, then which is surrounded by a mesophyll cell. So in these two regions only, the carbon dioxide fixation is taken place in Hatchlock pathway. So which one is the acceptor molecule of carbon dioxide in C4 pathway is PEP, that is phosphoenol pyruvate. In the presence of enzyme PEP carboxylase, they are accepting one molecule of carbon dioxide and converted into the first product OAA, that is oxaloacetate, that is 4-carbon compound. This 4-carbon compound again converted into malate is another 4-carbon compound. Then this malate, which is produced in the mesophyll region, enter into the bundle sheath. Here it is split into 3-carbon compound of pyruvate and liberate one molecule of carbon dioxide. So this carbon dioxide is fixed or accepted by the RUBP in Calvin cycle and converted into sugar. The sugar which is transported to the different parts of a plant body through vascular tissues. Then this pyruvate which is produced in the bundle sheath, they are utilizing one molecule of inorganic phosphate from ATP, and again it's produced into phosphoenol pyruvate, is a 3-carbon compound. So this process is once again taken place. That path is known as C4 pathway or Hatchlock pathway. Dear students, what all we have seen with the help of the diagrammatic flow chart, it's given in the paragraph. First one, mesophyll cell. The carbon dioxide acceptor molecule is PEP, 3-carbon compound. It accepts one molecule of carbon dioxide in the presence of enzyme phosphoenol pyruvate carboxylase, converted into OAA, 4-carbon compound. It is converted into malic acid or aspartic acid, is another 4-carbon compound. It is taken place in the mesophyll cell. This malate which is entered into the bundle sheath. Here decarboxylation process is taken place. That means they are removing the carbon dioxide molecule and converted into pyruvic acid or pyruvate. So this carbon dioxide combined with the Calvin cycle ribulose 5-phosphate and produce the sugar molecule. This sugar molecule is transported via vascular tissues. So the pyruvic acid 3-carbon compound, once again they are getting the inorganic phosphate from the ATP molecules, converted into 3-carbon compound, that is PEP, that is phosphoenol pyruvic acid. Phosphoenol pyruvate is a 3-carbon compound. So these reactions are taken place in the bundle sheath cell. See the reaction, RUBP plus carbon dioxide by the enzyme Rubisco. They are producing 2 molecule of phosphoglyceric acid, that is 3-carbon compound. So this is said to be the Hatchlock pathway or C4 cycle. Dear students, another important 2 mark, 3 mark and 5 mark question is significance of C4 cycle. The C4 cycle is taken place in the tropical and subtropical region of a plant, which can able to survive the environment with a low carbon dioxide concentration. So these plants which are partially adapted to the drought condition, there is no evaluation of oxygen in the C4 cycle because the PEP, phosphoenol pyruvate carboxylase enzyme, is the insensitive to oxygen. Third one, due to the absence of photorespiration, the carbon dioxide compensation point for C4 is lower than that of the C3 pathway. So this is said to be the significance of C4 cycle. Is a very, very important 2 mark, 3 mark question. Dear students, I hope have you all understood dark reaction and Hatch-Lack pathway and significance of C4 cycle. Remaining we will see in the next video class. God bless you. All the best children.